Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect DSers to Shopify using the easy method. This is a great way to link your supplier tools straight to your shop, so your latest online store is ready to go. Let's get into it. First, log into your online shop dashboard. The first step is to open your web browser and sign in to the main control area where you manage your online shop. You need to get past the login screen before you can add any new tools to your pages. Open your web browser, go to your shop's provider's website, and type your username and password into the boxes. Click the Sign In button and wait for your main shop control panel to load completely on your screen. Because the system must verify that you own the shop before letting you link any outside apps to it, you have to open this private area so the computer can reveal your personal store tools. Without this step, you would just be looking at a blank screen instead of your shop settings. Next, go to the App Store section. You need to find the specific market area inside your shop dashboard where all the extra helper tools and apps are kept. Look at the menu on the left side of your screen, find the button that says Apps or Add Apps, and click on it. Click on the link that takes you to the main application store page so you can look for new tools. You need to find the official bridge tool that links your supplier to your store. By entering this specific marketplace, you can see all the approved apps laid out clearly. It ensures you are in the right spot so you don't accidentally download a broken tool from an unsafe website. Next, search for and install the sourcing tool. Now you need to search for your specific supplier app by name, open its installation page, and add it directly to your shop. Type the name DSers into the search bar at the top of the app page, hit Enter, and click on the official tool from the list. Click the big button that says Install or Add App and wait for the system to link the tool to your store layout. Because it places the helper tool directly inside your shop's memory bank. By choosing this tool, you give the app permission to interact with your shop pages. It is the key step to getting the right output so that the two different systems can start sharing item details. Next, confirm the connection and create your supplier account. The final step is to click the Final Approval button on your screen to lock in the link, then log into your supplier account to finish the setup. Click the Install App button at the top right of the confirmation page, then follow the prompts to log in or create a new supplier profile. Choose the free plan option on the screen, click Confirm, and wait for the tool's main dashboard to appear. Once the system finishes updating your business task, your supplier tool and your online store are fully joined together. Now your setup is completely finished and working safely. And that's it. To connect DSers to Shopify, you must first log in to your shop dashboard. Then you go to the App Store section from your menu. Next, you search for the tool and click Install to add it to your shop. Finally, you confirm the connection and log into your account to finish. This straightforward plan makes sure your online store projects are smooth and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.